apical dominance. The inhibition of growth of lateral buds in a plant by the presence of a growing apical bud is called apical dominance. We have learnt that auxins, particularly IAA, promote stem and root elongation. However, they are also capable of affecting other aspects of plant growth and development. High concentration of auxins inhibit the sprouting of lateral buds, thus hindering the growth of many branches. Since auxins are more concentrated near the shoot apex, their inhibitory effect is greater on the branches higher up than the branches nearer to the roots. Hence, lower branches are often longer than those nearer the shoot apex, creating a cone shape of a tree. The failure of lateral buds to develop or grow to greater lengths in the presence of the apical buds is due to the top-down diffusion of auxins in concentrations higher than those that should promote lateral bud development. This phenomenon is the one exploited in pruning coffee, tea, hedges, etc. to increase the number of side branches in order to form dense vegetation for increased yields. Photograph 1 shows cone-shaped trees due to apical dominance. The animation shows a trimmed hedge has a lot of lateral growth due to removal of the shoot tips, while the hedge which is not trimmed has little lateral growth due to apical dominance.